We're gonna go ahead and do our first giveaway on the channel, guys. Good morning, everybody. It's Eric with Precision Pressure Wash. We're headed out to Windermere this morning to do a paver driveway clean. But we probably wouldn't have shot this video, but I think we're gonna do a little something different. We haven't done anything like this. We're gonna go ahead and do our first giveaway on the channel, guys. I mean, it's Christmas, time to give back. And even though we don't have a lot of subs on YouTube, we have people that are really watching these videos. And when we started this, I didn't really think people would watch them because there's a million pressure cleaning guys out there. We were really just trying to do it so when people ask us about our work, we can tell them to go on YouTube, kind of like a resume, hopefully generate a lead or two. We haven't. But what we're gonna do today, guys, is for a sub, you have to be a sub in our direct area, Davenport, Haines City, Windermere. We go out into Winter Haven a little bit. Our direct area, and guys, when I say our direct area, we're in Champions Gate area, so kind of do the math. Show them what we deal with. This is what we got to deal with every single morning. Like, we've been gone from the house for 10 minutes, and I could probably spit and hit my house from where we're at right now. So like I was saying, we are going to give away a free driveway, like a standard 2-car driveway, the sidewalk, the front walkway, all that, for the first sub that reach out on the comment section. It's gonna be the first one, so it ain't gonna be like you're gonna see on the, oh, I picked this guy because he was. It's gonna be the first one that responds to this video in our immediate area. We are giving away a free driveway wash. Now, if you guys want a roof or a house, we could do 50% off. I can't do that for free, guys. I don't even think there's a lot of guys that are gonna do a driveway for free, but this is just because we appreciate you guys watching. It keeps us making these videos, so we're trying to give back, do something. We're kind of slow, so it's not like you guys reach out to us and we will have it done before Christmas. Stay tuned, guys.
All right, y'all, made it to the job. As he said, we're in Windermere, Florida again today, and let me show you what this driveway and sidewalks looks like. So as you can see, look at all this. This stuff is dirty right here. Front walkway's painted, no surface cleaning up there. But here's the rest of this driveway. Man, look at this spot. Black and dirty, man. That thing is crazy. All of that whole spot. Really the whole driveway. You see this front walkway, dirty. There's some bricks that are a little crazy here. We're probably not gonna be able to surface clean on that. Gonna have to turbo nozzle most likely. Down here to the sidewalk. See all up under here. A lot of tanning spots. A lot of black. And you see it all the way across. Here as well, really black, a lot of tanning. May have noticed, you see my toes. I forgot my boots today, guys.
You can't make this stuff up, guys. Yeah, I love working with my son. It's great, guys. But show him. This is what I'm up against.
Trust me, I did show him.
This is the first time he forgot his boots.
Ever.
But it ain't the first time he's done something that dumb. I'm just gonna throw that out there. I love working with my son, but some days, let's just leave it at what I love working with my son.
Listen, it happens sometimes, guys. We all make mistakes, man. But
guys,
you
how
see
many
my
of you went to work and forgot to put on your work boots? Comment down below.
All right, but for 2 years, this is the first time, so it's a good ratio, if we're being fair. But we're also gonna be trying something a little different on the X-Jet.
Oh, yeah,
My dad here came up with a little idea in his head, and we're gonna test today to see if it really works or not.
All right, guys. So yesterday I was in Ace Hardware picking up some miscellaneous stuff as usual. And when I was at the register, I saw these little things there, and they're 99 cents. What these are made for, as you can see, a caulking cap. It's to put on the end of your caulking gun so it doesn't dry up. But as soon as I saw it, I thought about this. What if I could pull soap with my X-Jet without carrying the tank around for downstreaming? Because I've always seen guys washing with the M5 twist, and I wanted to do it. So today we're gonna find out is by putting this on here, can I pull soap and take it off, stop pulling soap. Stay tuned. One more thing we're gonna do with the turbo is try to clean up this edge. Look at me, makes a mess of stuff. That's why I'm doing it before I put down the chlorine. See how this works. Works, guys. That was a bust.
The experiment was a fail. You know, we're probably gonna leave that in for y'all though. Just to show that, you know.
That's what it's supposed to look like.
Yeah.
So now we're not using soap today.
No, just straight SH. Because we're pulling it out of the barrel today.
about you guys, but I kind of like the smell of a downstream mix when it's getting onto this mold. I like that. Anything above downstream, I like it. It's hard. It's kind of a sweet smell. Alright guys, we're on the concrete now. I'm gonna have him wash the sidewalk first. I'm gonna rinse it, and then I can be post-treating while he's finishing up, because we got rain coming in and we're trying to get back home before all that starts. You can definitely see the tanning spots. That's because of this right here, guys. Oak tree. If there's an oak tree, there's definitely gonna be something. And really, guys, that's the only time that we post-treat is for tanning spots. That's why we go ahead and do the figure 8, so we don't leave any streaks. It takes a little longer, but we're all right with that. What we lack in equipment, we make up for by 2 of us being here. Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and post with the pump up. That's some pretty gnarly tanning spots. Let's see what happens. I'm going to give this a few minutes, guys, but honestly I think it's a little too wet still. We'll see. I'm not going to go too far with it just in case it's not going to work. It's just a waste of time. So give it a few minutes, time lapse it, show you guys what happens. It's starting to work, but I'm thinking maybe we're gonna have to come back out here with the turbo nozzle a little bit, guys.
All right, y'all, just wrapped it up. Let me show you the results. So this driveway came out really nice. Pavers always do. You can see the coloration on them now, how bright they are. Give you some before and after shots here. There. On here as well as the painted front porch area. See it there. As well, these weeds were very overgrown over the edge. We pushed them back, got all up under there. Remember this spot here? Created that clean circle. It looked pretty cool. As well, right here, this was the big area right here of just straight mold, black. All of it's cleaned up now, as you can see. So the sidewalks, as we said, had tanning spots. If you remember under here, give you a before shot. You guys were watching the time lapse. We did not have to hit it again. What he sprayed on there worked, it did the job. See, everything's clean now. Over to this side of the sidewalk. Clean. No tanning. Remember, we turbo nozzled this thing down here. Turbo nozzling is messy, and this was no different. Especially with my slides on today. Look at that, man. Well, that's what happens when you forget your boots. You see, curbs look good. We also gave this customer an estimate for paver sealing. They asked us about it. We're gonna be measuring it right now, as you can see. We're gonna give them an estimate for that. So as always, y'all, this has been Precision Pressure Wash. We were in Windermere, Florida today. If you enjoyed, like, subscribe, comment. We'll catch you on the next one. Peace.